965 Linden Avenue, scoping the sewer line after repairing and cleaning the sewer line. 117 foot to the city sewer. Tap connection into the main. A little bit of tree roots after cleaning the line. We'll never get 100% of them. Bit of an offset here. And this is where the pipe is kind of dropping down and then back onto straight pipe here. Where it starts to drop there. You can see an offset at the top of the pipe. A little bit of roots. Again, we'll never get 100% of them. These are just little hair strand roots. And this is where we did our repair. Back onto original piping. See a stress crack here at 47 foot, bottom of the pipe, and then to the left. So it's a tile pipe, ground moves around, you get some stress cracks in there. That's the only one that I've seen in this tile pipe. SDR 35. Onto ABS. Tie-in. Another tie-in. Clean out.